scenes. Like, he's working hours and hours behind the scenes with this heat coming on his face. This is so oh my god, I would have fainted if I waited like 1 hour here.
I got falafel, I got dolmas, I got everything.
Do you want to have success in your business? You have to step in yourself.
The odds are 7-1. It's very big odds for a heavyweight championship fight.
It has to be listed. Listing is a much bigger puncher.
While these big mouth people talking about I talk too much, well, I want all of them to be there, and I'm going to shut up all of his mouth.
Contagious players, one of the strict drums, a massacre.
Hello, explorers. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. I'm greatest of all. Who am I? Muhammad Ali. So we are super excited that we are in Louisville, Kentucky, where Muhammad Ali originated from. And we're going to be trying one of the halal restaurants in Louisville. It's been getting only 5-star reviews, and let's find out, explorers. Come with me. Brother Sagar, it's such a pleasure to be in your restaurant. It's a very cozy and beautiful restaurant. We love everything. It's so clean and beautiful. So how long have you been running this restaurant for?
We'll get around this like restaurant for a month now, but it has been open like 4 months ago. And so far, like, we're doing great. We're keeping up with everything. And we're looking forward like to maybe in the future, like, make it franchise and like extended it all over the United States.
Well, how did you come up with the name?
So Kabab House is basically like the Middle East. The most famous thing is like kebab, kofta, and all that stuff. And we're trying to make it here, like, to expose it to the whole entire world, so they can have a taste and see the flavor of it.
I see. And what kind of cuisine you cook?
It's Middle East cuisine. More likely between like mixed between Palestine, Turkish, and all that, like the Middle East, all combined together.
And you're from there?
I'm from Tunisia.
You're from Tunisia.
Yes.
And do you cook Tunisian food as well or no?
No, not in this restaurant. I don't.
Right?
Yeah.
You can get out wonderful. So can you tell us about some highlights of your restaurant? Why you're so special than other restaurants that I see like flood of people, they're lined up, they're waiting even.
The main thing and the first thing is the treatment.
Oh, treat.
So the way you treat your customers, that's like what keep customers keep coming back.
That's
the second thing is, if I can't eat it, my customer will not.
Wow, so you cook whatever you would cook for yourself with all the heart and everything. Oh, that's beautiful. And do you cook as well, or you have special chef?
No, I have a special chef and I help as well. So I jump in, like, as you see, like serve, go in the kitchen and all that.
Yeah, I saw, like, it's amazing. You're so busy, and you're being a cashier, you're being a...
All of it.
Yeah, you're being a waiter, and you're being everything. That's amazing.
All of it.
And your customer service is amazing.
Appreciate it.
Smile on your face. This is the best thing, right?
Yeah, that's how we keep customer coming back.
That's amazing. In such a short period of time, you're having so many customers that other people would dream about.
And planning to keep them coming back.
Yeah, and we love the food. My family, I appreciate your hospitality. It was such a delicious dinner for us.
It was
coming all the way from Canada, and I would tell you, flavors are so on point.
Appreciate it.
That's amazing. And
glad and thrilled that to hear your honest opinion. And like I said, I tell everyone I'm open to not only like the positive feedback, I'm open to negative feedback. Anything that we can make better, do better, I'll be more than happy to do it.
now we're gonna head to their kitchen and see what they're preparing there, and just to see behind the scenes of all this deliciousness that's coming to life. What's your name? Mustafa. So what here? How do you work here?
Oh, I got used to reviews for 20 years.
You marinate and you put them all here?
Yes. Now, we just transfer this serving the best. The ideas, the precious food we can get. Like, we do everything here. Not just a business, we serve. That's we red passion, like we do not agree with our families. Let's do that way. We're not going to do something new. We're not going to do something new, man. I don't accept my family from. So that's everything.
How we call it in Islam, do with ihsan, right? Do whatever you do.
Exactly. Alhamdulillah, we're good. Everything we do here, we do the make. And it's that.
So we're trying to get some review for the food that you guys are trying.
Yeah, so we're from Louisville. There used to be a restaurant called the Kabab House down the street that we would go to all the time, and it closed. And she can attest, like, I was distraught about it. And then this place opened, so we're really excited. We've already been, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 times now.
You guys keep 5 times?
Yeah.
At least twice with your family, so we've been several turns.
So that means you guys really like
Yeah.
food.
It's very good. Yeah.
Awesome. And what is your favorite?
I get the Euro pretty much every time. No lamb around.
I like the chicken shawarma, but I like the vegetable plate too. I like the grape leaves and the hummus and the butternut, all that.
I got beef kebab. I got the chicken shawarma. I got falafel. I got the dolmas. I got everything.
How highly would you recommend this place to other people?
I think I recommend it to people all the time, so it's as highly as I could.
How highly would you recommend this place to other people?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Probably those dolmas.
It was such a pleasure being in this restaurant, enjoying all the amazing, delicious food that was cooked by the chef. And the owner was just super amazing with his adorable smile. Just the whole experience was just amazing experience, I would say. We came all the way from Canada just because history is associated with Louisville, Kentucky. Muhammad Ali legend himself was born and raised here. And we just wanted to feel the ambience and just be in this place. And we ended up enjoying this beautiful restaurant along the lines. And thank you so much to Explorers for exploring this beautiful spot with us. And if you're close by or passing by Louisville, Kentucky, I highly recommend this place. It's one delicious place to explore. Bye, Explorers. See you next time.